two muscles are targeted in this one single stretch: the Triceps Brachii and the Latissimus Dorsi muscles. The Triceps Brachii is a Latin term which means three-headed muscle of the arm. The muscle consists of the medial head, lateral head, and long head. The primary purpose of this muscle is to straighten the arm through the elbow joint. The engagement of this muscle is in all pushing activities. The Latissimus Dorsi is a Latin term meaning broadest muscle of the back. To most people, this muscle is commonly called lats. Hence, you have an example of a strengthening exercise for this muscle called lats pull down. The function of this wide muscle at the back are extension, adduction, horizontal abduction, and internal rotation of the shoulder joint. Triceps Brachii and Latissimus Dorsi Dowel Variation 2. Static stretching. Kneel facing a bench or a chair. Use a pillow or folded towel if pressure from the ground causes knee pain or discomfort. Rest both elbows shoulder width apart at the edge of the chair. Hold the dowel in a supinated forearm position or with the palms facing up. Simultaneously bring the buttocks backward towards your heels as you gently bend both elbows, allowing your head to drop between your arms. Pace your breathing until the recommended stretching hold is done. Go back to the initial position and repeat to complete the set in your program.
Welcome to my third course, The Complete Guide to Stretching, where you will regain that flexibility and mobility lost throughout the years. My name is Joseph, and I will be leading you through the course. I'm a registered physiotherapist in the Philippines and a certified professional training specialist and certified online fitness professional in Canada. Since 2013, I have served as an exercise specialist to thousands of patients around Toronto. Last year, I built the Health Leap. This company aims to make instructional therapeutic exercise videos available to all and to create educational course materials for online platforms. I have designed this course for individuals navigating research-based stretching programs to increase mobility and flexibility and correction of posture. This course also aims to guide both fitness and healthcare students and professionals as they sharpen their skills in preparing the proper customized program for their patients and clients. There are no requirements in enrolling in this course. I only ask that you once again come open-minded and ready to absorb the fun learning experience. Check out the course description, and I look forward to interact with you inside.